Hello friends, welcome to Santec. Today I will show you how you make a free landing page. Blogger.com is a product of Google. So first you open your browser, then click the Google Apps here, then you scroll here and click here see in the blogger, then click here, create your blog. You need to enter your Google account. So click here and enter your password. So click the next button. Click here. Now you give the name of your blog. Then click next. You can see this name is not available here. So you need to change it. Now you can see this domain name is available here. So click next and now you type which name you want to show your blog. Then click finish. Now you can see and you can create same way another blog here. When you click this new blog you can provide a new name, and now we want to make a landing page, so click new post here and you can see a page is open here. So the title name, write the product name here. This is our product title. So now you need to write here the heading of this landing page. So here I make a landing page, so I just try to copy it how you make landing page. So then I select this copy here. I remove the link to show you how you can make a link here. So that's why press the enter button and here you add image of your product. Now you click the image option here and upload from your computer, then choose this file. I want to put this image at first, so I click here and open. Select. So you can see this image is set here. Put a space here and again here I add image. Then click here and upload from. Save this image and open. Now you can see this image is already set here, but it need to make it bigger. So select this image and make it bigger. See, this image is become large here. I just make a space here. So now you paste here about your product description. I copy this product description from the product site. Here I again add a image. Click image option, then click choose file, select open. Now make this image bigger. But make sure which image you set here, it needs to high resolution. I just set it for show you, but when you make it professionally, then you need a high resolution, because how perfect and attractively you make this landing page, then the chance is higher to make conversions, so try to give some time and make it perfectly. So here I add a buy now button. So how you get this buy now button? Then then go to Google and search buy now button. Click here and you can see click image and you can see lots of buy now button is here. You can download a GIF file or which one or which you like, but always try to download a better quality file. You just click here and save image. This way you can download this button. I download this button before, so now I add this button here. Now click here and insert image, upload from your computer, then choose file and select this, click and open. Now you can see this. So this way you can make a landing page here. So now you need to text convert as a link. So select this text and click insert link. Now you paste here your product link. It could be your affiliate link. Apply here. Now you can see this text is convert to link. So when anyone click this link and then they go the product page, you just put your link maximum 3 times in your content in your landing page. If you put many more links in your landing page, then it looks very clumsy. So again I make a link into this line till I just select this line and click the link, insert and paste my link and apply. Then you can see these words are convert to link, and I gave another link by my order now button. So click this image and insert edit. Now remove this link and put your link and now apply. Now this button convert a link. This time we see how it looks like laptop or desktop mode. So for this click the preview option here, and now you can see how it looks like. Close this notification. Now you can see we make a link here and this buy now button. So this is our landing page, and now here you see some options. If you see this landing page desktop, then click desktop mode, it how it look like on desktop mode, and then click the tablet. This is the tablet look and it's mobile. So if everything is perfect, then I just go here, see our landing page is ready. So you can click the publish button here, click confirm, and you can show some option here is share option and is the viewer option. How many people visit your landing page, it show here, and how many share you have, you can see this here. So after making this landing page you need to do some work. For this you click the layout option here. We do this work because we create a landing page, it's not a website. We do not use this page as a website. Click this edit option and show this UI journey. It's unusual for landing page. So just disable it and save it. And again search this blog. Click here and just disable it. And you can see this already hide here, and sidebar is not needed. So click here and just off this option. Labels is not needed. Click here. Now is close is completely off. Featured post is not needed. Show publish time. If you want to show this, then you can on it, or if you don't want to show, then just disable it. Show comment option here, disable it. And location, if you don't want to show, or if you don't want to show, then just disable it. And about share button, you just on your share button. Show labels, we have no labels. Now you can save. So yes, everything is perfect. So now and click the share button and copy the link where you want to promote your landing page, then put your link there. Now I open a new incognito window and paste the link here, click enter, and now you can finally see how our landing page is look like. You can share this landing page in different social media. And if I click this order now option here, then you can see this link is work perfectly. And I tested another link, then click here, and you can see this link is perfectly work, and I click here. So this way we can create a landing page easily. This landing page I create last week. You can see the view here, but there is no share yet. So if this video is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe this channel.